The Firmen Lift Age Define Eye Serum is a very specialized and unique product. It will help to reduce and diminish fine lines, wrinkles, crow's feet. It will also help to reduce any type of puffiness that is produced underneath the eyes, especially when you get up in the morning. Some of us tend to have puffy eyes. I always recommend young people to start using an eye product around the eye area sooner than later, in their late teens, early 20s. The eyes tend to show the signs of aging much, much faster than the rest of the face. What makes this product unique is the ingredients. It starts with the apple stem cells. Apple stem cells are relatively new in the skincare industry, and it helps with cell renewal. You also have minerals. Minerals that are a variety of minerals combined together to help diminish those fine lines and wrinkles. Glycopeptide, which is derived from goji berry. It's very delicate around the eye area. It will firm the eye tissue in such a way that it becomes obvious very, very soon. The longer you use this product, the more aware you will become of its unique potency and how effective it can be to produce younger looking eyes.